Hello all, this is Owen Rubel again, back with another demo of HTML5 game framework known as Akihabara. In my last demo, you'll notice, you may remember that actually the last two I have been working with the A-Star library as introduced to me by the people over at Boston Game Jams. And I have been working to work out some issues with A-Star and integrating that into Akihabara, and especially into the experiment that I'm doing here. And what I have been playing with is with multiple enemies and getting them to face, getting them not to collide, and playing around with that. And so in my last demo, I showed how I avoided collisions, but it was still a bit jerky in places, and with them facing different directions and so on and so forth. And I wanted to demonstrate in this latest one some of the things that I did to take care of that issue as well. So let's go on in here and take a look at that. So this is the level that has all the sheep, and we'll go on down here and take a look at them, but not too close because they're mean sheep. So one of the things that I did is that I made the default state to just wander aimlessly. They don't all aggro now and come after me all at the same time. But one of the interesting things that I did is that I have an aggro radius. Much like in most games, is that if they spot me, aha, hey, that sheep spotted me, I have to get out of its aggro zone, or aggro radius. But if I get too close, he chases after me, and I have to run to a safe distance so that he stops chasing me. And I set the chase radius a little further than the aggro radius, so I have to run farther than he actually aggroes to, which is actually a bit more intelligent because otherwise he would just aggro all over again. But as you can see, this is a lot easier on the system too. A lot easier for the system to process. And we'll run right in between those two, and it works a lot better too. Got a little halt there because it had a problem processing too much data at once. Yeah, unfortunately that will happen. Still have problems when there's too much data being processed at once on some of these scripts, and have to troubleshoot that. But yeah, I wanted to put out a video to show some of the interesting things that I did. So it's not as jerky anymore. We have an aggro radius on the enemies now, and a chase radius. And here pretty soon I'll put in something so that they go back to their original spawn point or something after they're done chasing you, because we don't want something like this to happen, to where they chase you and chase you and chase you, and then they end up at another location outside of, where their wander area should be. They should be within a specific wander area and not be going too far outside of that area. Their wander function should only have them wander so far within a radius of their spawn point, and not any further. So we'll be fixing the wander function here soon too as well, and the chase functions, so that as soon as they get done chasing, they'll just go back to their wander zone, so to speak. But wanted to put up a video here real quick to show that functionality and show some of that, and show people what's possible with A-Star and the Akihabara framework. As usual, as I always say when finishing these things up, check out the Akihabara framework. There's a lot you can do with it. There's a lot that's always going on. Again, thanks for watching, and have fun. Take care.